So you guys hear the thundering outside. Give you kind of a view of what it looks like. It's been raining the whole week in Miami.
Right. The last almost 10 days straight to raining.
Raining every day. Okay, Hiro-san, we got this delicious silver pomfret.
Yes.
This is a delicious fish. It's from Japan, $30 a pound. And this is the other part. The other part you did the sashimi. You're going to make some sushi now.
Right.
Okay, very good, Hiro.
That's what we're gonna make some sushi with this one.
Okay. So just, what's the first step? Just cutting the fish?
Yeah, I'm just gonna slice up the fish.
Okay. Hiro-san,
Hi.
what a beautiful creation
Yeah.
on this fish. Look at
Just
this sushi.
an example. I made it 2 different way today.
Yep, and let me tell you, they both look so beautiful.
Yeah.
One's torched with some sesame oil and some beautiful edible flowers.
This is just a straight to nothing gimmick.
Right,
Just a straight fish on the
traditional nigiri.
sushi rice. So
Well, Hiro, looks beautiful. I can't wait to try it. And thank you so much.
yeah, thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and tell us if you've had this fish before or not. I can tell you this is the first time I'm having it, and I can't wait. Hiro-san, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Hiro-san, now to the best part, tasting part.
Tasting parts.
Enjoy.
Yeah, first I'm going to do a regular one, normal
Okay.
one.
How's it here?
First thing is so fresh, you know.
Very, very fresh, right?
Mm.
Well, let me tell you what, my mouth is watering. This is the torched one.
I put the yuzu kosho on the top. It's a little spicy one.
Okay.
That's good too.
Try it out. Great tasting fish. It's a little rich, like the yellowtail is, but not with the aftertaste, you know? Yellowtail's a strong tasting fish. Let's try this one. And beautiful again. Look at this presentation.
It's a little different texture, right? Because it's tortured.
I like it. I think I prefer this one. It's torched a little bit. And that, what do you call this again? That yuzu?
Yuzu kosho.
Yuzu kosho. Yeah, a little bit from peppery. A little spicy. A little kick. Not really spicy, but just a little kick. Hiro, both so delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
See you next time.